Hello, my name's Doris, the boring Doris, and today I'll be reading you a book. Okay. There once was a time where this castle was buried. The sheep was happy, and then the girl went to sleep. 10 years later, she woke up and she saw an ugly little boy come. And he said, "Shut up." And I said, because you know I'm that old that like I was in those days. Anyways, instead of reading a book, Doris here is gonna tell you about her physical life. When I was a kid, I was working for the army, straight, down, up, sit down, I think. Anyways, since I'm old, I'll try to do this. But only since my back doesn't go so far. Straight up. I got captain. Oh, my back. Yeah, let's sit down. Oh. Oh. Whew. I'd better get my zoning pills out. Back to where I was. Anyways, I was strong and fierce. I was like 10 years old when I joined the army. My dear son died at 10 years old. Sad story. But anyways, I was like, my back is killing me. So I quitted. And then after that, I went into boxing. So I should show you what I was doing. Oh my god, my back. Oh, 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 ah, ow. Oh, 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 it hurts. My back hurts. It's all good though. And then I quit. And then I went into police. I was a police, and this is what I was doing. Get back, Sonny! I'm gonna get you. Don't run for long. I will get you. Don't hide. And then I quit because my back hurt. Nothing wrong here. That's just really cracked. Anyways, and then I had my daughter, Valerie. So, yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, and watch more Zebra Lover. Yes, watch more Zebra Lover 131 videos, and Doris will be coming up